Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find network security key on your Windows PC or laptop. What you want to do, just simply find the Wi-Fi icon on the lower right hand side of your screen, right click on it and click on network and internet settings. Under this section here, just simply click on Wi-Fi at the top and you want to go ahead and click on manage known networks. Here you'll be able to find a list of all the networks that you've connected in the past, also the one that you're currently connected to as well. And you can find any one of those networks that you want to go ahead and check the password for by simply clicking on them, and you will be able to see it shows Wi-Fi network password. This is the same thing as the Wi-Fi security key, and it's going to reveal the password to you. Another way how you can quickly find the password for a Wi-Fi that you're connected to is by simply clicking the Windows key on your keyboard or taskbar and go to your control panel. Control panel literally has the option for you, and within the control panel you want to simply click in network and internet. Then from here you want to go ahead and click on the option that says view network status and task. Here you'll be able to see your connected Wi-Fi, so you can click on that connected Wi-Fi that you have access to. Now it's going to quickly bring up this option where you can see the Wi-Fi node. Simply click on wireless properties right here, and you want to go to the security tab right here. Here you'll be able to see the network security key, and if you click on this, it's going to go ahead and reveal the password for you. Here you can see this shield. It simply means that you need administrator privilege to see this, so that's most likely the password for your computer if you have administrative rights, and it's going to show you the password for this current internet. And that's it guys. Now I want to also mention to you that if you don't know the Wi-Fi for a password, you can check the router box, or if you are connected to this Wi-Fi using your phone, it's most likely you can quickly check that in your phone, or if you know someone who's connected to the Wi-Fi and they have their mobile, you can quickly ask them to reveal the Wi-Fi password on their mobile as well. And to do that, I'm going to quickly give you an example. For example, if you're using an Android phone, you can quickly go to settings on an Android phone, then go to connections. And from here, tap on Wi-Fi. You will see that it's connected and it will show you the Wi-Fi that you're connected to. You will see the gear, most likely on the right hand side on that phone, and you'll be able to click on it. It's for settings, going to show you the network itself, and it should also have the password there where you can quickly click on the I, and it might require your password or PIN, but then it's going to also reveal the password to you. So if you're using an Android phone, for example, you can quickly follow those steps that I just mentioned to find the password. So you just need to go ahead and find the Wi-Fi within settings and connection, and you can go into the settings and quickly find that Wi-Fi password so that you can quickly connect it to your computer. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.